Okay, guys, welcome to our new home. Say hey, Shell. We are here. Y'all, this is like a mini house. I'm about to give y'all a tour of where Sheena has moved. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sheena with She Is Fab, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys along for my new apartment tour. Yes, I moved out of my house. Don't be sad for me, honey. New beginnings, new chapter. So, if you want to see my new apartment, just stay tuned. This is just the entryway, the front door. Nothing fancy. This is a coat closet. That's Lauren, Shelby. This is our kitchen. Yeah, go help her and I'm recording. Crown molding, guys. This lighting is everything. We just got the keys, so everyone is super excited. All right, so let's start in the kitchen. Pantry. Refrigerator. Lots of storage. Microwave, stove, electric stove. I love gas, but look, let me tell you something, okay? When God tell you to use electric, that is what you do, okay? Counter space. We have a dishwasher. I love this up here. All right, so that is the kitchen. Y'all, this is like a mini house. This apartment is 1388 square feet. Look at the archway. That's to our bedrooms down there. And then this is the living room. Guys, y'all see the crown molding? I am in love with this place already. I will probably have to tell the office about these mini blinds. They are a little raggedy. So I will put that on the inventory control list. See if I can get some new ones. But if not, I ain't tripping. As long as they know they was like that before I got here. Balcony. And then there's more storage out there. And then I can park my car right there. They do have garages and covered parking. Look, the rent was already high enough. Okay. Alright. And they do have door pickup. Or door, they have a trash service. And the lady told us that the trash can was in the apartment, which it is not. So we will let her know that it's not in the apartment. Okay, so this is the hallway. The girls left the lights, left the doors open because it came with a washer and dryer. So I'm just gonna close that off. And y'all, these floors are gorgeous. I believe they are real hardwood. And it's a 3-bedroom, so the kids will have to share I have 2 girls and 2 boys. Hey you two. But my kids are very close. They love each other, so they don't mind. They know that mama is extremely happy. They haven't seen me this happy in a very long time, so yes. And then in the hallway here, we have a computer nook. So I will be purchasing a desktop for my baby Shelby and putting a chair here since she's so smart. And all my kids are smart. Okay, they get it from their mama. And they're right, Lolo? But yeah, she is, she's my last child. She's very studious. She's a cheerleader, and she just made the basketball team. Okay, so this is the first bathroom. This is the bathroom that my kids will share, as well as the guest bathroom. Guys, let me just back up because this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Lots of storage because Lauren wears lots of makeup, so she has lots of storage here. And this is the bathroom. It's a regular tub. It's a nice size tub. Shower. And we will clean all this tonight. that they'll be able to use it. All right, and then this is the second bedroom. Lauren's already started putting her stuff in here. And nice size closet in this room. In the other room where I was dancing in front of the mirror, that is the closet behind here. So nice. All right, so let's see where Mama is gonna sleep. Well, let's just say I got my own little walkway right here. And here is my bathroom. I have double sinks. Oh my gosh. Look at all this storage for all my makeup. I have a garden tub. Oh my gosh. Y'all, are y'all ready? Now, the lighting here is not working, but are y'all ready for this closet? OMG, it goes all the way back here, guys. And I have a rack. Y'all ain't ready. I can even like do something in this little area right here, like. And I have water storage over here, y'all. Okay, so bathroom and closet and my bedroom, which is nothing fancy, but hey, I absolutely love it. I have a view of the parking lot. And I like that my closet is separate from my room, so this is just all bedroom. All bedroom. The girls are moving in, y'all. That's it, guys. So that is the end of my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like my content, please consider hitting that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video, and have a great day. Bye.